Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel Ideas by Anaiza. Today I will share Crochet baby shoes designs. Crochet shoes design offers a world of creativity and possibilities with a hook and yarn. You can craft unique and comfortable footwear that reflect your personal style. You can make very nice shoes with a hook and yarn. You can choose any color and designs your life. You can make shoes with interesting patterns or simple designs. It's a great way to show your personality through your clothes. You can make shoes that are fun, pretty or stylish. It's like wearing a special piece of art of your feet. Crochet shoes are very comfortable and soft. You can make them in different sizes and shapes. We can make shoes for everyday wear or special occasion. You can add buttons and different types of flowers. Crochet shoes are perfect for little baby 0 to 11 months and people who want unique and cozy footwear. They are also great for people who want to add a personal touch to their outfit. I hope you like this video and watch till the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.